Hi guys, I'm Judy from Ink Limited. Today I bring you a Commotion LED Ultra Door display. Yeah, this is EA45F. First of all, the unique front and rear dual maintaining design of this product effectively reduce your maintenance costs. The LED panel is easy to assemble and disassemble. The EA45F LED cabinet is easy to installation and it can be stacked or hang. And this 45-degree bi-volt LED cabinet can be customized to support range angle installation. And secondly, this unique power box supports coaster maintenance and is really easy to maintain and is very fast. And this 45F LED display has a waterproof, dustproof, moisture-proof. The reach is IP65 level. Yeah, and it's fully sealed. It's allowed it to work normally in any weather. So if there's anything else you want to know, just tell me in the comment section. Okay, see you next time. Bye.